Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Larroude boots. I have one black pair and one ivory cream pair. Both pairs were gifted. So Larroude is the shoe company that's known for very fashion-forward shoes, boots, sandals, heels, flats, you name it, they do it. Their price point is what I would call high midpoint. It's not a luxury designer brand, but you're looking around $500–600 for a pair of boots. So let's pop them on, let's see how they come packaged, let's look at the styles, the fit and the quality, and how I would style them. So when you're ordering your boots from Larroude, definitely pay attention to which boots you're ordering, because there's two different styles of their Kate boot. There's a regular Kate boot, which is their knee-high boot, and then there's a Kate high boot, which is their over-the-knee boot. So just so you don't order the wrong ones. So the first pair I got was the Larroude Kate boot, their regular knee-high boot. I got it in this faux croc. I thought it was super cool. I thought they were really different. The only issue is I ordered size 7, which is my normal size, thinking they were going to run true to size, and unfortunately they ran big. And it wasn't just the length of them, the fit of them for me, it was the whole shaft of them. They felt really big around my ankles, they felt really big around my calves, and I get that you need some extra room because they are a pull-on style, there's no zipper to them, but they just did not work out for me. So I sent those back and exchanged them for the Kate high boot, which is that over-the-knee boot, and I ordered them in an ivory because I already have black. So let's take a look at those. So this is the giant box full of Larroude boots that came in, and it's really, really heavy. My dad's like, what are they? Dive boots. So let's unpackage them. Okay, so in the box is your massive shoe box and a bubble wrap. And Larroude offers free worldwide shipping and 30-day returns if you order from their website, which I've linked below. Get rid of this because Zara can come and play with that. He loves a good box. This is going to be your giant shoe box. Hi, baby, what do we have? Oh, so cute. They always have the cutest things inside, don't they, baby? That's because how cute is this? They've put a little tree decoration in there. Just says, make a wish for more Larroude shoes. That's actually really cute and funny. There's another small little pouch in here, which is your extra heel caps. So if you need some heel caps later, they are in there for when you go to have them rehealed. There's some dust bags too, actually. So one for each boot. You have some stickers. I got so excited, I'm like, oh, $20 bill, but it's a $20 token, so $20 off your next pair of Larroude shoes, stickers, and then obviously telling you how to tag and share if you want to share on social. So let's take a look. These are the cream leather boots. He's flipping around in that box over there. Hi, baby. These are the cream leather boots I got. I got them because I thought they were a very classic style. I love a pointy toe. It's something that's timeless. The heel seemed a good height. It's not going to be practical walking around a city heel, but not too high. Just a really kind of good evening boot. Now, I went down to the 6.5 because the first pair I tried from them was a 7, and they were too big, even though that's my normal size. So let's pop these on and see how they go. Oh, and obviously, as we are unboxing, there are 2 boots in here, not just one, and they are really, really well stuffed. There's paper in them, there's cardboard in them. The only thing about these boots, they are pull-on. They are not zippered, so they are going to be a slightly wider fit. So we'll see how that looks on the legs, if they just look too bulky or if it looks good. I mean, I will probably wear this with sweater dresses, leggings, or skinny jeans. So I'm not too worried about them being a wide fit, as long as it's not kind of a puss in boot kind of thing and they're not too long or they start to slouch too much. So the Kate High Ivory Shine Kidskin Leather are handmade in Brazil with a memory foam cushion insole, a finely crafted leather sole for support, durability and comfort, and a 3.8-inch stable flare heel. There's no zipper, they're a really easy pull-on style. There are several versions of the Kate boot, so if you want the knee-high boots, order the Kate boots, not the Kate High boot, which are Larroude's over-the-knee boots. Now there isn't a grip on the sole, so it is going to be a bit slick. So you might want to have them resoled just to give you some more grip. I really like the small logo on the top there. It's very kind of discreet, but it's still there. Another thing I like about these boots is the black ones were slouching down and getting really big kind of creases in here. These feel a bit better structured, so they definitely feel like they stay up a lot better than the black kind of mock croc ones did. Oh, they feel a much better fit than the last one. So fit-wise, I ordered the 6.5 because last time I got the 7 and they were too big. The 6.5 is still slightly too big. They're not huge, maybe with thicker winter socks and tights, they'll be fine. I don't want them too snug, otherwise I'm not going to wear them. They're just going to be uncomfortable. and I can always put insoles in them. The thing I'm not sure about is the height of them. For this price point, I want a boot that I'm going to wear a lot. Knee-high boots, I know I would get a ton of wear out of in this color. Thigh-high boots, I don't know if I would wear them. I would wear black, but I just don't know if I'd get enough wear out of cream over the knee boots to warrant the price of them. But I think they are beautiful boots. If you're looking for over the knee boots, I think these Cape boots by Larroude would be beautiful. They're really good quality. I don't know, I'm gonna have to think on this one. So I did just have a look in the mirror and it did kind of make me change my opinion on them too. I actually really like them. I wasn't quite sure how I'd style them. And obviously this dress does not go with these boots. It's summer here in Vegas and these are definitely fall winter boots. And I wasn't sure if I could make them kind of like elegant enough, but I absolutely love them. Now I've started looking at them and thinking of ways I would style them. I would style these with black leggings and a longer length sweater, or with black leggings and a mini sweater dress that's maybe a funnel neck that's a bit looser, or I would style them with jeans, like skinny jeans, which are back in anyway, and some kind of longer length sweater. I think they would be really cute. They're almost a bit retro. I also like that they're different. I haven't seen anyone else wearing them, so I kind of like their uniqueness. So I'll link them in the description below so you can get your hands on them too. If you've had your own experience with Larroude boots or shoes, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.